a study of the social and economic conditions in the subcontinent during the Mauryan times. It is true that we can offer only an imperfect picture of the social economic conditions, as many of the documentations on this subject are only paltry and fragmented. The traditional Indian society is often viewed in the form of the Varna Jati system. This is also seen in the Arthashastra of Kautilya, who, as a Brahmanical thinker, also strongly emphasizes on the continuation and perpetuation of the fourfold Varna divided society, that is, a society that recognizes the existence of the Brahmanas and the Kshatriyas as the two upper Varnas dominating over the two lower orders, the Vaishyas and the Shudras. Kautilya very strongly recommends the upholding and perpetuation of the institution of these four Varnas, and also emphasizes on the maintenance of the four ashrama institution, that is, a person should ideally pass through the stages of life one after the other, from Brahmacharya, the days of studentship, to Garhasthya, that is the life of the householder, then retirement to forest, Vanaprastha, and finally Sanyasa or renunciation. Now, how far such strict fourfold Varna division in the society during the Maurya times was actually in practice is a moot question. Take, for example, the Mauryas had a Brahmana commander-in-chief, Pushyamitra Sunga, who actually overthrew the last known Maurya ruler Brihadratha and established a new ruling house. So, the historical evidence goes to show that a Brahmana in fact could take up the business of arms, contrary to the strict code of conduct laid down in the Shastric text like the Arthashastra. It is also interesting to know that though the Brahmanas are mentioned in Ashoka's inscriptions, there is no other references to the other Varnas, and even the term Jati does not occur in the entire range of Ashoka's inscriptions. By this, we do not entirely rule out the possibility of the prevalence of many Jatis and other Varnas. It is possible that the very large number of occupational groups, a number of tribal groups, could have been gradually incorporated within the Jati system. And as Jatis in the typical orthodox Brahmanical society, it is unlikely that such Jatis would be given a high social ranking.